Osili village, Enugwu-Ukwu in Nze local government area played host to the highs and ranks in the society as they converged to pay their last respect to a stakeholder in the community, the late Chief Edwin Nze Nwode, whose burial ceremony took place over the weekend. Aged 88, Chief Nwode was a devout Christian, a staunch member of St. Monica's Anglican Church in Enugwu-Ukwu, a reason why his fellow parishioners troop out en masse to be part of his journey to eternity. Nze Nwode was there and now report.
In a sermon during the burial service at the church, the Archdeacon Mbuhu Archdeaconry, Venerable Ruben Okafo, went down memory lane on how the deceased trusted in God, even in difficult moments, urging Christians to always know that God is there for them, even in times of trial. After his interment in his compound, the first son of the deceased, Mr. Osita Nze Nwode, described his father as a man of patience, a jovial and hardworking father whose family life kept all his 8 children knitted together in love, praying God to grant him eternal repose. At the appropriate time, family members, friends, and well-wishers, as well as associates of his children, trooped in to pay condolences to them, among whom were members of Pinnacle International Club, Igwe in Council of Enugwu-Ukwu Traditional School, in-laws, and many more. A renowned gospel artist, Adazion, was on ground to entertain the guests, who were treated to varieties of food vendored by a renowned Nollywood star, Ekene, as well as different types of protein, including crab, mega abattoir suya, high-quality parfait and smoothie, and many more. From Osili village, Enugwu-Ukwu in Nze local government area, I am Nze Nwode for ABS News.